You can make all kinds of skull makeups, and for today Eva has chosen to make herself a watermelon skull. So if you want to know how to create this, please keep watching. So the base of this makeup is done with a color by Superstar. This is color number 210. It is called Poison Green, and with a smoothie blender Eva is putting this color on her skin. So it is all of her skin, just under her eyes and her forehead. And once all of that lovely bright green is on the skin, we continue to a red color. And the red is also by Superstar. This color is Fire Red. It is color number 035. And with the red you just fill out the remainder of your face, so the nose, the mouth and the cheeks. And once that is on there as well, we continue to a lovely palette by Benai to put the shadows on the skin. So this palette is called the Devine Madness palette, and Eva is using the black that is in the palette to create the skull with. So this black is kind of special. There is a glitter in that black that gives it a very nice effect when you put it on the skin. I don't really know if the camera catches it for you to see, but there are all little glitters in there. So black on the temples, just under the cheekbone, under the jawbone, and obviously we do need black on those eyes as well. And Eva is using a small powder brush, but also the Lollipop smoothie blender to put those colors on the skin. Now all the black with the powder is on there. We continue to Essential Black by Diamond Effects, which is a water-based face paint, to create the mouth of our watermelon skull. But also the nose is done with the water face paint in black. And the details around the eyes. Time for some white star blend, which is a pressed powder by Meron, to give this skull some highlight. So obviously we need white for the teeth, but also to highlight the parts of the skin that would stick forward the most. So the cheekbone, the brow bone, the chin, the jawbone. And once all of those shadows are on the skin, it is time to put on a wig. And it is a lovely green wig. And with that, our watermelon skull face paint tutorial for today is done. Give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. And don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned on all the videos we are doing here on this channel until Halloween.